Hello everybody, it's Buffalo here. I'm going to do a little tutorial here on my Pit Boss pellet grill I got. This is the PB340. I've been wanting to get one for a while now, but I've kind of been waiting for the prices to come down. A friend of mine swears by it, so I thought I'd give it a try. They usually run about $600. I picked this one up at Menards for $220 the other day, so you know, couldn't beat the price. But seems pretty sturdy. We've cooked on it one time already, some steaks. They turned out pretty good. I didn't really need a real big one. This one here will hold good two racks of ribs, and I'm gonna do a turkey today, so that'll be my tutorial on how that turns out. Also, I'm gonna do a little review on this Chugod. It's a wireless Bluetooth barbecue thermometer. Comes with 2 probes, stainless steel braided line. To come wrapped around this. Take it all off. Obviously don't put this in the grill with it. And then you plug it into this thing, and this will make it Bluetooth. And then I'm going to have it connected to my little tablet here, so I can be inside and keep an eye on the temperature while the turkey is smoking. So alright, well, we'll get back to you. Alright, so I got the turkey on. I'm using I mixed up some mesquite. I mixed up some hickory and a little bit of apple pellets to kind of give a different kind of flavor today. See how it turns out. Got the turkey on there. Got the probe in there. The probe comes outside the grill through the vent. And here we are with our temperature. The inside of the turkey, which also transfers over to Bluetooth, the tablet. What's cool about this is now you can select what you want to cook. So on this, you see all these different settings, and since I'm doing turkey, I'm going to select turkey. So therefore, it's done at 165. So this thermometer will let me know when this thing is done, or if it gets too hot, it'll give me a warning and let me know that something went wrong, whether there was a flare up on this pellet grill or different temperature or whatever. So I got this set at 305 right now. According to the manual, it said cook it at 13 minutes per pound, so we're looking at around 3 hours. So we'll see how it goes. I'll get back to you when it's done. Alrighty. Alright, here we are. Temperature is at 162. Got 162 over here. And I checked it to confirm it with my digital read instant thermometer, and it was pretty much spot on. So, take a look at it. Yep, it's looking pretty good, guys. So, there you have it. Hope this helped anybody out that's looking for one. But so far so good, and it looks like it's ready to go. So, alright guys, take care, man. Peace.